Hi, welcome. In this video training, we're going to show you the basics of setting up your Leads Leap account. Okay. Now, when you first log in, this is what is called your dashboard. And what you want to do is you want to go up to your profile, My Profile. And you certainly want to add an image, which is right here. Then you would want to scroll down and you would want to do a short paragraph about you. You certainly want to have this in here. And what's cool is you can also add a link here. So you can hypertext, what is called hypertext. So you can actually physically put a link in here, or you could put something like I have in here that says click here now. So let's say, for example, if you wanted to hypertext these words, you would highlight, click this insert edit link, put the link in here, and click OK. Just like I did here. And of course I have a tracking link in there. If you have a blog or website, you would certainly want to update this as well, and also how to connect with you. If you're into social media, Facebook, Skype, etc., you would want to put that information here. And always click Save. All right, remember to click Save during each one. And if you don't see the changes in here, that means that you didn't click Save. Something else happened. All right. Under confidential settings right here, you want to go ahead and put your email in here and select these notifications here so you get your daily email and receive new sign-up notices if that's what you choose. If this email address is the one that you choose to do that, we always recommend that, checking these. If you want to put preferred email time, you get one email a day from the system. What's the best time of the day that you're going to be there to read that email? Change your time zone, your password. You want to update your payment methods if you want to get paid through PayPal or TransferWise. And you want to click Save Changes again. Make sure that you're always saving the changes as you go along here. Simple, easy peasy. Now, in the bottom right-hand corner here, you see Associate Message. This is very important because as your new members or your followers come on board, they will see these messages not only here in the dashboard and throughout the back office, but also in the daily email that goes out. Okay, so you want to go ahead and set that up. And you just click this button right here that says set up your message here, and that'll bring you to this page. If you haven't set it up already, there's probably going to be a button here that says click here to set up your message. If you have set up a button like I have, you can certainly go ahead and click on the pencil here to edit the message, or you can click on the stats, show details. You can renew the message, pause the message, or delete the message. But you would want to go ahead and set up the message. As it says here, set a message to your follows, maximum of 140 characters. So it's like a tweet, it's like a text. Well, I think I'm not a big Twitter guy, but I think it's more than 140 characters now with Twitter. So mine, for example, says stop spending yourself out of business, and then I've got a link in here. And this link can be a trackable link, which we recommend in the back office. And if not, if you have an ability to track it somewhere else, great. If not, make sure that you have a tracking link in here. And then click Save and Submit. And that's it. It's simple, easy peasy. You'd be surprised how many people don't take the time to set this up and set yourself apart from 99% of all other marketers out there. In upcoming videos, we're going to talk about your advertising. You can advertise back here for free. We're also going to talk about your link tracking and the rotators, very powerful. We're going to show you step by step how to set up and utilize the autoresponder series, your landing pages, and what's even probably the most exciting part is we're going to show you how to copy and paste our success, and just in a few quick clicks you'll be able to import our landing pages and make them yours, and import the entire email autoresponder series that's been proven to convert. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.